Good morning. How are you doing today? So, some people have been asking me how I was able to get 13,000 followers without going viral or any of my video going viral. And it is very simple, and all you need to do is just to first of all you tap on this search icon on the front of your Facebook, and then you search for follow to follow groups and join as many as you can. After joining them, you will now go down to that these three dash bars on this left side of your Facebook. Go down to feeds. In this feeds, the only post that appears there is post that just dropped, the latest post. So all you need to be doing is just be commenting all this done, let's go, follow me, I follow you back, all these things. Keep going, and once you are doing this, you will see your followers growing like this. I'm getting 200 followers just maybe in 1 hour like that. As long as you are consistent and you're commenting and you're doing this always, you are going to grow without your followers is going to grow without much stress. And again, if you want to be monetized, hmm, it is possible that you have 1 million views, yet you are not monetized. Do you know why? If you are not posting original content. Some people will see posts that people's post that is people's post, they now go and download it and post it. You might get views or something like scenes in television. You post it and you'll be getting on 1 million view. At the end of the day, they will not monetize you. They will say uh, restricted due to unoriginal content. So if you want to be monetized, you have to make posts that is original, post that is made by you. You did not copy anybody, nobody copied you. That is for the monetization aspect. And as for the view aspect, if you want to grow your viewers, and then you have to be consistent in your posting. You need to be consistent. You have to post maybe 3 times daily minimum. If you are not posting daily like me now, maybe sometimes I'll keep posting, and sometimes I'll just give up and I will not post again. And is really affecting my views. So you have to be consistent, and the last part of it is just to find a particular thing and be doing, and let people know you with that. I'm still fighting my way with this one. I want to find a particular thing I want to be doing, and then be consistent in that particular thing I want to be doing. If you find this particular one, you're actually going to have views on your post and all that. And some people have been asking me if Facebook is really paying. My sister, Facebook pays people. People are really making much money from this content creation of a thing. So if you know how to do your own, if you know anything you are good at, you can come up with something. And then when you have some people actually have good camera, but they are not using it. And some people like us, our camera is not that good, but we are managing it. And with one day, we are going to make a good. We are going to make it with our good camera. I must say that. So thank you for watching. If you follow those things I said, you are surely going to make it as a content creator. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like this post and share it if you think, yeah, it's possible. Bye.